Hey y'all, as you can see I'm a bit more casual today because I'm doing a little bit different kind of video, but not much though. I've been vegan now for a little over 2 years, but I certainly have not been the healthy kind. So for my solar return for my birthday this year, I am cleaning up my act and cleaning up the way that I eat. To start my new year off right, I'm going to be participating in the Whole Foods plant-based diet. Much to my disappointment, this isn't a diet where you only buy products from Whole Foods. It's actually quite different. Instead, you focus on eating vegan, non-processed, and unrefined foods. The reason I decided to The reason I decided eating like this is because I want to do better for my body. That's it, really. This isn't going to be a diet where I go back to my crappy eating habits after like 2 weeks. This is going to be a lifestyle change where I go to eating crappy food once every month instead of once every other day. I've just got to run to the store real quick and pick up a few things, and then I will show you what I'm having this week and what I'm making for my first go at Whole Foods plant-based diet. I'm having tea from Mystic Ginger Apothecary for breakfast because I noticed that if I eat early in the morning, I tend to eat all day and I eat too much. So I'm going to skip breakfast and just have a tea in the morning. For lunch, I'm just going to have a slice of pita bread with some fruit. I have some applesauce to have with it, so I can toast my pita bread, dip it in the applesauce, and eat it that way. For snacks, I bought some things to make a chickpea avocado mash and some almond flour crackers from Simple Mills to have with it. And finally, for dinner, I'll be making veggie enchiladas and having broccoli on the side. Thanks again for joining me for this short video. If you would like more vegan lifestyle and travel content, be sure to head over to the Black Vegan Travels OnlyFans, where I'm going to be posting a podcast, live streams, and other videos. Plus, be sure to check out Ko-Fi, where you can find recipes, photos, and other exclusive content. And I'm thinking of starting to sell some handmade aprons on there as well, so keep an eye out for that.